गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन की बात कर रहे थे। एक्सरसाइज 5.5 के काफी सारे सम हम कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं। उसके आगे के जो भी इलस्ट्रेशन है वो भी हम कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। अब हम थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं। एक्सरसाइज 5.5 एग्जांपल नंबर 10। ओके, 1 to 9 ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट। y equal to x into cos x whole raised to x plus x into sin x whole raised to 1 upon x. Here power and base both are variable. Then this function write as e raised to power, that is e raised to x, into log base that is x into cos x, plus same here e raised to power that is 1 upon x into log base that is x into sin x. Okay, now differentiation or derivative this function with respect to x, then this side dy by dx, and here we know that derivative of e raised to x same as e raised to x means e raised to x log x into cos x into derivative of power. But see, in power there are two functions, one is x and second one is log x into cos x. Okay, then first derivative of x, that is 1 into log x cos x as it is, plus now x as it is, see here x as it is, into derivative of log x cos x, then derivative of log function is 1 upon x into cos x into derivative of inner function, that means derivative of x, means derivative of x into cos x. But here we use multiplication rule. Okay, derivative of first x is 1, at that time cos x as it is, plus now x as it is, and derivative of cos function is minus sin x. तो ये जो पहली टर्म है उसका डेरिवेटिव कंप्लीट हो गया। अब नेक्स्ट derivative of e raised to x same as e raised to x means e raised to 1 upon x log x into sin x. Now into derivative of power, in power there are two terms, 1 upon x and second is log x sin x. Then first derivative of 1 upon x, that is minus 1 upon x square into second term log x sin x as it is, plus now first term as it is, and derivative of this log function is 1 upon x into sin x into derivative of x sin x, and here we use multiplication rule, product rule, derivative of x that is 1, at that time sin x as it is, plus now x as it is and derivative of sin is cos function. Okay, तो ये हमारा डिफरेंशिएशन पहला स्टेप खत्म हो गया। अब सिर्फ सिंप्लीफाई करना है, अब सिर्फ सिंप्लीफाई करना है। तो e raised to x log x cos x write as x into cos x whole raised to x into bracket log x cos x as it is, plus see here one time x cut and in bracket cos x minus x sin x in denominator cos x. Now split, then cos upon cos 1 minus x as it is sin upon cos, that means tan x, and here first term is complete. Now see second term plus e raised to 1 upon x log x sin x write as x sin x whole raised to 1 upon x. Now see in bracket minus 1 upon x square log x sin x, then in numerator minus log x sin x upon x square, plus see here 1 upon x into x, that is x square, into sin x, 1 upon x square sin x multiply with these two terms, then I write sin function cancel, then remaining term is 1 upon x square, plus see here x as it is cos upon sin, that is cot x, in denominator x into x, that is x square. क्यों मैंने ऐसा किया, वहां यहाँ पे वन टाइम x मैंने कट नहीं किया क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में सब जगह x स्क्वायर आ गया, तो न्यूमरेटर का एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन करके हम लिख सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट टर्म हमारी हो गई x cos x whole raised to x into bracket log x cos x plus 1 minus x into tan x plus now second term x sin x whole raised to 1 upon x bracket in denominator there is x square, then summation and subtraction of numerator. I write first 1 then plus x cot x minus log x into sin x अपॉन x स्क्वायर. तो ये सब हमारा यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया है. ओके, जो कि बहुत ही इजी है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट सम मैं लेता हूं, वो भी है एक्सरसाइज 5.5 का. देखते रहिएगा एक्सरसाइज 5.5 का नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल नंबर 12, जो कि बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सम है. और 5.5 एग्जांपल नंबर 12 which is most IMP raised to 500, and our question is x raised to y plus y raised to x equal to 1. Here we have to find dy by dx. Okay, यहाँ पे y का डेरिवेटिव करना है. Okay, x raised to y plus y raised to x equal to 1. First I write x raised to y as e raised to y log x. Same here, e raised to power log base equal to 1. Now derivative with this function with respect to x. First derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to y log x into derivative of power. Same power, there are two terms and we use product rule. Now derivative of y, that is dy by dx. At that time log function as it is. Okay, plus now y as it is and derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Okay, तो ये फर्स्ट टर्म उसका डेरिवेटिव खत्म हो गया. नाउ डेरिवेटिव सेकंड टर्म, दैट इज e raised to x log y as it is into derivative of power. Derivative of x is 1. At that time second function as it is plus now x as it is and derivative of log, that is 1 upon y into derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Okay, equal to derivative of 1 which is always 0. अब यहां पे सिर्फ हमको क्या करना है, तो सब्जेक्ट बनाना है. किसको? dy by dx को. तो फर्स्ट आई राइट e raised to y log x as x raised to y into bracket log x into dy by dx plus y upon x raised to 1 plus same here I write e raised to x log y as y raised to x into bracket log y plus x upon y into dy by dx equal to 0. Now x raised to y multiply with bracket, same here y raised to x raised to y into log x into dy by dx plus see here x raised to y multiply with y upon x raised to 1. Then first y as it is here x raised to y upon x raised to 1. Y x raised to y upon x raised to 1. Then both term, okay, numerator denominator and base are same. Then subtraction of numerator. Then I write x raised to y minus 1. Same in second term, multiply with y raised to x. Then y raised to x into log y plus see here x. Subtraction of power, then I write y raised to x minus 1 into dy by dx equal to 0. Okay, now from these two terms dy by dx is common. Okay, from these two terms dy by dx is common. Then bracket x raised to y into log x plus x into y raised to x minus 1 equal to, take these two terms opposite side. And both term, if we take opposite side, then both term are negative, and we common minus from both. Then remaining term is y into x raised to y minus 1 plus y raised to x into log y. Now this bracket taking denominator. Then dy by dx equal to our answer minus as it is y into x raised to y minus 1 plus y raised to x log y. In denominator, this bracket, that is x raised to y into log x plus x into y raised to x minus 1, which is our final answer. And this sum is very important in board examination or in school examination. Okay, now I take one more example, which is example number 14 of exercise 5.5. exercise 5.5 एग्जाम्पल नंबर 14, उसका क्वेश्चन है cos x रेज टू y इक्वल टू cos y रेज टू x, जो कि बहुत ही इजी है। यहां पे भी हम dy by dx फाइंड करना है, तो पहले मैं लिख लेता हूं दिस टर्म इक्वल टू e रेज टू पावर log बेस, सेम हियर e रेज टू पावर log बेस। ओके, यहां पे देखो ये दोनों टर्म सेम है, बेस भी सेम है, देन वी कंपेयर पावर, दैट मींस y into log cos x equal to x into log cos y. Now derivative of this function with respect to x, then derivative of y, which is dy by dx into second function as it is log cos x plus now y as it is, and derivative of cos function which is 1 upon cos x into derivative of cos function is minus sin x. Same opposite side, first derivative of x, that is 1. At that time second function log cos y as it is plus now x as it is, and derivative of cos y, log cos y, which is 1 upon cos y into derivative of cos function is minus sin y into derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Okay, see here, and therefore dy by dx into log cos x minus, take here y as it is, sin upon cos, that is tan x, equal to log cos y minus, I take here x sin y upon cos y, that is tan y into dy by dx. अब यहां से सिर्फ dy by dx को सब्जेक्ट बनाना है, तो ये जो टर्म है उसको मैं ऑपोजिट साइड पे लेता हूं तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, मतलब यहां हुआ dy by dx into log cos x plus x into tan y dy by dx, then I first common dy by dx from them, then log cos x, this term opposite, then plus x into tan y, c equal to log cos y as it is minus, take opposite, then plus y tan x. Now this bracket take in denominator, then our final answer dy by dx equal to, in numerator log cos y plus y into tan x, in denominator log cos x plus x into tan y. ओके, ये हमारा फाइनल आंसर हो गया। अब 5.5 में सिर्फ 4 या 5 सम बाकी है। ओके, ठीक है, अब हम थोड़े अगले सम लेते हैं। Next, we take example number 60 of exercise 5.5, which is very easy. fx equal to 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x raised to 4, 1 plus x raised to 8. We have differentiate this function with respect to x. Also, here we have to find f dash 1. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हम पहले f dash x फाइंड करेंगे, बाद में x की वैल्यू 1 हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो हमको f dash 1 मिल जाएगा। एग्जाम में f dash 1 की जगह f dash 2 भी पूछ सकते हैं, तो क्या करना होगा, तो फाइनल जो f dash x मिला उसमें x की वैल्यू जस्ट 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है। ओके, तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। fx इक्वल टू 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, x raised to 4 and 1 plus x raised to 8. Now first I apply log function from both sides, and therefore here log fx equal to, see here, log this into this into this into this, Now we use property of log function. If log m into n, then we write log m plus log n. Then here we write log 1 plus x plus log 1 plus x square plus log 1 plus x raised to 4 plus log 1 plus x raised to 8. Now differentiate this function with respect to x. First derivative of log fx, which is 1 upon fx, into derivative of fx, which is f dash x. See here, derivative of log function, which is 1 upon 1 plus x. Okay, 1 upon 1 plus x into derivative of 1, which is 0, and derivative of x, which is 1. In second term, 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now derivative of 1, which is always 0, and derivative of x square, that is 2x. Same in third term, 1 upon x raised to 4 into derivative of x raised to 4, that is 4x cubed. And last term, 1 upon 1 plus x raised to 8 into derivative of x raised to 8, that is 8 into x raised to 7. Okay. Now fx, take opposite side. Then f dash x equal to fx into bracket 1 upon 1 plus x plus 2x upon 1 plus x square plus 4x cubed upon 1 plus x raised to 4 plus 8x raised to 7 upon 1 plus x raised to 8. Okay, now I put fx equal to this function, then equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x raised to 4 into 1 plus x raised to 8 into this bracket, as it is 1 upon 1 plus x, 2x upon 1 plus x square plus 4x cubed upon 1 plus x raised to 4 and plus 8x raised to 7 upon 1 plus x raised to 8. तो ये हमको f dash x मिल गया। अब हमको फाइंड करना है f dash 1, then we put x equal to 1 here, and therefore f dash 1 equal to, put here x equal to 1, then first term is 2, put here x equal to 1, then 1 plus 1, that is 2, same here 2 into 2. Now see in bracket 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is 2, put here x equal to 1, then in numerator 2, same in denominator 2, put here x equal to 1, then 4 by 2, and here 8 by 2. यहाँ पे 2 raised to 4, that means 16, and here denominator are same. Then summation of numerator 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15, and 15 by 2. And now in numerator 15 into 16, that is 240. Okay, और यहाँ पे 2 8s और 15 into 8, that is 120 is our answer, which is f dash 1. नेक्स्ट सम जो कि बहुत ही इजी है, एग्जाम के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है। ओके, देखते हैं। इफ u v and w are function of x, okay, that means u v r and w are in terms of x, then so that d upon dx of u into v into w equal to du upon dx into vw plus dv by dx into u into w plus u into v into dw upon dx. ओके, बाय इन टू वेज, मतलब यहां पे जो ये प्रूव करना है तो दो तरीके से हमको ये प्रूव करना है। पहला तरीका है बाय प्रोडक्ट रूल। ओके, दैट मींस वन फंक्शन एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव सेकंड फंक्शन, बट हियर थ्री फंक्शन, दैट मींस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ वन फंक्शन एट दैट टाइम remaining two function are as it is, plus derivative of second function at that time remaining two function are as it is, and plus derivative of third function at that time remaining two are as it is, which is our first way. And second way by logarithmic differentiation, मतलब log अप्लाई करके हमको करना है। तो फर्स्ट वे ओके, फर्स्ट मेथड में करता हूं, तो यहां पे लिखता हूं मैं फर्स्ट वे, सी हियर d by dx u into v into w। ये तो बहुत ही इजी है और ये हमारा डायरेक्ट आ जाएगा। तो मैं पहले डेरिवेटिव करता हूं u का, ओके, du by dx at that time remaining to vw as it is। now u as it is, derivative v with respect to x, that is dv by dx, at that time w as it is, and last u and v as it is, and derivative of w, that is dw by dx, which is product rule। ओके, प्रोडक्ट रूल से ये तो डायरेक्ट हो गया। अब मैं सेकंड वे का यूज करता हूं, उसमें क्या करना है हमको, लॉगरिथम फंक्शन अप्लाई करना है। तो फर्स्ट आई से u v w इक्वल टू fx, तो यहां पे मैं लिख लेता हूं सपोज fx इक्वल टू u into v into w। now I take logarithmic function both sides, then log fx equal to, here multiplication, and we know the property of log function, that means we write log u plus log v plus log w। okay, now derivative of fx, that is 1 upon fx into f dash x। same here, derivative of log u, that is 1 upon u। see here u v w are function of x, तो derivative of log u, that is 1 upon u, into derivative of u with respect to x, that is du by dx, plus same here derivative of log v, that is 1 upon v, into derivative of v with respect to x, same here derivative of log w, that is 1 upon w, into derivative of log w dw by dx, derivative of w with respect to x। now I take this fx opposite side, and then f dash x equal to fx bracket 1 upon u du by dx plus 1 upon v dv by dx plus 1 upon w dw by dx। now I put value of fx, but fx is u v and w, and f dash x, that is derivative of u v w with respect to x, then I write f dash x, that is derivative with respect to u, derivative of u v w with respect to x, then d upon dx of u v w equal to fx, that means u v w, u into v into w into bracket 1 upon u du by dx plus 1 upon v dv by dx plus 1 upon w dw by dx। now bracket multiply with u v and w, and therefore derivative of u v w with respect to x equal to, now see here u v w multiply with bracket, then in first term u which is cancelled, then du upon dx into v into w, same here v cancel, then u into w into dv by dx, and last term w is cancelled, then u into v into dw by dx, which is our answer and which is our second method। okay, next sum में लेता हूं, जो कि एक्सरसाइज 5.5 का 17, जो कि बहुत ही इजी है और बुक में ऐसा लिखा है, तो इसको तीन तरीके से कैलकुलेट करो, तो हमारा सम है x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 8, x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 8, एंड इन सेकंड ब्रैकेट दैट इज x क्यूब प्लस 7x प्लस 9, x क्यूब प्लस 7x प्लस 9। तो कौन कौन से तरीके हैं यहाँ पे, तो पहला प्रोडक्ट रूल, then multiplication of these two brackets, and we convert this function in polynomial form and then derivative, and third way is logarithmic function। ओके, तो हम सिर्फ एक ही मेथड से करते हैं। ओके, एग्जाम में ऐसा पूछे जाने वाला नहीं है कि तीन मेथड से ये सम करो, तो हम प्रोडक्ट रूल से वो सम कंप्लीट करते हैं। देखो यहाँ पे first derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx, and equal to multiplication rule, product rule. Derivative of first term is 2x minus 5, and derivative of 8 is 0 at that time. Second bracket as it is, plus now first bracket x square minus 5x plus 8 as it is into derivative of second bracket, that is 3x square plus 7. ओके, अब यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके ये इस पूरे फंक्शन को पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो इसके आगे का आप अपने आप कर सकते हो। तो यहां से मैं ये सम छोड़ देता हूं, अगले सिर्फ 2 स्टेप है और सिर्फ वहां पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन ही करना है और इसको पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है। और ये मैंने प्रोडक्ट रूल का यूज किया है। अगर आप चाहो तो लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन के तरीके से भी आप कीन सकते हो, और ये दोनों ब्रैकेट का मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके इस फंक्शन को पॉलिनोमियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करो एंड देन डेरिवेटिव, तीनों कंपेयर करो, तीनों आंसर हमेशा सेम ही रहेगा। ठीक है, आज हम यहां तक रखते हैं।